am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java if and else. Okay, so let's get started. If and else is a Java condition. So here we can see written Java condition and if statement. If you already know that Java support usually logical condition from mathematics. So here we have shown less than or equal to, greater than, and greater than or equal to, and equal to not equal to. So we can use this to perform different action for making different decisions. So we here we will show you if else if and switch. Okay, so let's start it. So what is the syntax? Like if, and then here we will give some condition, and if here, then it will print whatever will be written, it will print. Okay, and if should be in lower case only. Okay, so let's see, we will try this one. 20 is like greater than 18. This condition is true, then this statement should be printed as it is printed here. Okay, like now I am giving only 2. Okay, instead of 20, then this condition will false. Condition is false. Then let's see what should be printed or what error it should give. Let's wait for the result. So it is not printing anything. Okay, so condition is wrong, so it is not printed. Okay, if condition will true, then only it will print. Okay, now we will move to other example and let's try. X value is 20. Here we have just make more declarations. Here directly we have not given value. We are given by defining the data type and a variable name, and we have used equal to and then value. Okay, so this condition is true, so this line is printed. Okay, now we will see else statement. If condition, otherwise else. So this is the syntax, you can go through it. And now we will try something. Like in main method, int time we have given 20, time and 80. So as time is, this 20 is greater than 18 and we have put less sign, then this condition becoming wrong, so this line will not be printed and else line will be printed. So good evening dot will be printed. Okay, good evening dot is printed here. So like this we can use else. Okay, now we will move forward. If else if. Okay, else if statement, if condition, else if this second condition, else third statement should be printed. So let's go with this example and see. So here we have given int time 22. Now 22 is greater than 10. Then condition is becoming false as we have put the less sign. So good morning will not be printed. Else if we will checking, time is 20. Okay, and now and 18 is smaller and we have put the less sign because 22 is greater than 18. Then this condition is also false, then this line will be printed. Okay, so this line is printed. You can use like this also. Okay, now one test is given. We will check int value is 50. Like we need to print hello world if x is greater than y. X is greater than y. Okay, x is greater than y. And here we will put if condition, we will submit this, and now we will see it is correct. Okay, so like this you can do it. There are many more exercises also, you can go through it like here. Okay, exercise 2 we will check. Here condition if we are putting, now print hello world if x equal to y. So we have to put equal to, and then we will see correct. Okay, now third, if we will put, now we print yes if x is equal to y, otherwise print no. So equal to we will put, else we will put, and now you can see the correct. Okay, so now print 1, we have to print 1 if x is equal to y. Okay, equal if condition we have put. Okay, print 2 if x is greater than y, condition is there, we have to put else, if else. Okay, if else. Okay, and third print y, so else will come here, so like this. Sorry, else if. Okay, not if else, else if. First else come, then if. Okay, so we will move to fifth exercise, last exercise for this. Okay, A, insert the missing part to complete it. Okay, so string result, here we like we will see only like time, we have given one condition. Okay, and then it will print this or it will print this. Okay, we will see like this also we can give, like bracket open, bracket close, question mark, and today other. This we can copy and we can remove this code. Okay, we are printing this, see, in time we have given. Now here we have result in one line only, the condition we have given, and we have to check that what result it should give. Okay, so now we are checking like it is true or false. 20 is greater than 18. Okay, but we have put less than. So let's see what result it should print. Okay, so it should print, let's wait, what should it print? See, it printed na good evening, because this condition is wrong. Okay, make like I can make 21. Okay, then it will print this one. Let's see, wait for the result. Okay, so like this also you can give condition. If first value is correct, then this will be printed, otherwise this. Okay, if condition true, first one, condition false, second. Okay, so today we have completed if and else. Now there is one shorthand if and else that I have just explained you. This is also a shorthand. Shorthand means ternary operators we have used. It contains three operand. First condition, second the true condition, and then the false condition. Okay. Instead of writing this, we can write in one line. Okay. We call it short or ternary operator. Majorly we call it ternary operator. Okay. Now you can go through it and you will get like how it works. Okay. So thank you for watching my videos. If you have any question, please comment, and please subscribe and share my video. If you have any question, please comment. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.